Welcome to this moment of stillness. Take a comfortable seat or lie down. Let your hands rest gently. Allow your eyes to close softly. Just keep them half closed, like in a soft gaze. And now let's begin by taking a slow, nourishing breath in through your nose and a long, easy breath out through your mouth. Again, one more time. Breathe in. Now gently release it. Breathing out. Now feel your body arrive. Feel the stillness beneath the surface. Now I ask you to gently bring your awareness to the center of your forehead, between the eyebrows, where sits your third eye. The third eye is the inner wisdom, is where our intuition lies. Breathe in one more time. Now breathe out. And you don't need to visualize anything. I just want you to feel your third eye area. Just feel the area. Just bring your attention to the area in your forehead. Just sense it. Be open. Take a breath again. And next time you exhale, I want you to imagine a soft veil being lifted. No pressure, no need to see anything clearly. Just a gentle shift, like fog being lifted at the dawn. So see the veil and just see it being lifted, being removed. That block being released from your third eye. Now I want you to repeat to yourself, I trust the quiet guidance within me. I don't need to know everything. I just need to listen. And let those words ripple gently inward. Breathe in, breathe out. Now imagine standing at the edge of a still lake at dusk. The water's calm, reflective, very quiet. And this lake represents your mind and represents today. So there is no need to stir the surface, no need to ask, no need to analyze. Just watch, just listen. Let anything that arises float to the surface naturally. anything that comes to the surface, it can be a word, it could be a color, a feeling, maybe silence, maybe your mind doesn't want to say anything, or there's nothing important. Your mind just wants to stay quiet, just enjoy the moment. So whatever comes, trust that exactly the way it's meant to. So don't try to analyze this or trust it. It is what is meant to be. Okay? Inhale one more time and then exhale. Now I want you to ask softly inside your heart, what does my inner wisdom want me to know today? And just wait. Allow the answer to arrive or not. Even when the mind and your heart and your intuition is quiet, they are giving you an answer. So answer, no answer is always an answer. Now breathe gently into that space between your eyebrows. Feel it soften, feel it open. And with your next breath, whisper in your mind, my inner knowing is always available to me. One more time, my inner knowing is always available to me. I trust myself. Now let those words settle in your body like a calm anchor. Keep breathing in through your nose and breathing out through your mouth. And now you can bring your awareness back to your physical body. Notice your hands, your feet, the rhythm of your breath. And when you feel ready, open your eyes, not to look outward, but to carry your inner vision into the rest of your day. Trust that what you need to know will find its way to you.